Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Nautique S25. Absolutely beautiful boat here. Again, it's 25 foot in length. We've got the Masters Blue metal flake, which really pops in the sun. It's a great color on this boat with the jet black hull bottom. We also have the docking lights up here in the bow. And as we walk down the side of the boat, we've got the beautiful badging here in the black flight control tower. This boat does have these strapless board racks. Can fit any size board in those racks and super easy to get in and out. Got your fuel fill up, stainless steel rub rail right here. And then as we make our way to the stern of the boat, we've got a big swim platform here with the mocha brown non-skid. Got a ladder here to get in and out of the boat, and also a nice grab handle. And then this boat is also optional with the ski pylon there as well. We've got the NSS, the Nautique Surf System, underwater lights, the NCRS, Nautique configurable running surface, and then also the steer assist is on this boat. This is powered by a ZZ6 450 horsepower engine. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. Okay, so welcome inside this beautiful S25. As we're looking back towards the stern of the boat, we have a big entryway in with a couple of steps on this non-skid mocha brown, and then that way you're not stepping on all of your upholstery getting into the boat. This boat does have subfloor and supplemental ballast. We have 500 extra pounds here. Great entertainment spot back here with the 2 seats, cup holders, and the transom remote. And again, this boat does come with the ski tow pylon. As we walk into the boat, we do have a seat here that does fold back. So you have a few points of contact here to sit back, relax, and enjoy what's going on behind the boat. And this does slide into place. With the upholstery, it really ties into the exterior of the boat with the black mystic white, and we have the Masters Blue. Flight control tower here, it does fold down for storage. We do have the 8.8 speakers here. And then again, the strapless board racks that do swivel and adjust, and they fit any size board in these racks. And then the tower, simply to deploy this, you just take off the boot and it folds out, and you have pockets up there to store your boards. Over here, plenty of cup holders on this boat. We do have the upgrading lighting package on here. We have the race car inspired seat. This boat does have the Link Panerai touch display screen, which is great to control all of your music, your ballast, your also with your wave shape and control, and then also has your navigation on there as well. Here is the door dam, so sometimes on those cold days here in Minnesota, you can block out some of the wind with that and the windshield. And then we've got tons of storage on this boat too. Right now we just have the cover in there, which is, by the way, a cover that can be put on the boat and towed down the road as well. Nice recessed glove box here for storage. And then the fun doesn't stop. We've got more entertainment up here in the bow. Plenty of seating on either side. So guys, this is a walkthrough of our brand new Nautique S25. It's located here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, and walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.